Welcome back. This is lesson 4 in this section of the training copy and paste options. Still on the training how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we're looking at how you can copy and paste formats. Our focus being the different paste format option we have available to you as an Excel user. I am Amaka Ifebonando, your instructor. We have two methods which you can use to paste formats in Excel. The first method we'll be exploring is the Format Painter option that is under the Clipboard section of your Home tab. And to do that, we'll just select a cell. We have a set of range right here that is formatting features have been applied to. And we also have a set of data range that we are yet to apply any formatting feature in. So I will want to apply the formatting feature on this date cell to this date cell using the Format Painter. All I do is to select the cell, click on the Format Painter option that is under your Clipboard section of your Home tab, click on it and notice what happened. You see that the copy action is active. And you will also notice that your cursor has changed from to a plus sign, a big plus sign with a brush-like icon beside it. So it shows that the Format Painter feature is active on this cell. So I'll just select the cell I would like to paste the formatting on this cell to. So I'll select the dates here and you can see the effects. You see that the dates, the formatting features on this date cell has been applied to this date cell. You can also do that by selecting a range of cell. Click on the same Format Painter option under your Clipboard section of the Home tab and select the cell, the first cell in the range, and notice what happens. Good. You can see that all the formatting features in each of the cells have been applied to. You see the wrapping of text, the center, the bold has been applied to the range of cells we just pasted the formatting features on. Right. So I also want to show us how you can apply the formatting in a cell to a range of cell, because we've just been applying formatting in one cell to a cell, the range of cell to range of cell. So we'll apply the formatting in one cell now to a range of cell using the Format Painter option. And to do that, you select the cell, you now double click on the Format Painter option. So I will double click. Good. You see that the border is now active. Our cursor has changed with a brush-like icon beside it. So I will now select the cell I want to paste, the cell range. Good. Now, the format on this cell has been, we've pasted it on the cell range we just selected. So when you are done pasting, you just go back, click on the Format Painter to deactivate the Format Painter option, or you click on Escape key on your keyboard. So I'll just click on this Format Painter and the Format Painter option has been deactivated. So you've seen how we applied formatting in one cell to another cell, in one range of cell to another range of cell, and using the formatting in one cell and applying it to a range of cell by double clicking on the Format Painter option. Right. So that is the different ways you can apply formatting using the Format Painter option. Good. So I will just clear the formatting on this so that we can also, let me just clear the formatting. Go to your editing section of the Home tab, click on the drop down arrow on the clear and say clear format. Good. So I've cleared the format. The second method is to copy the range of cell that you want the formatting applied to this. So I'll select this range and I'll use my Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl C, you see that the moving border is there showing that the cell has been copied. Then the point I want to, the first cell I want to apply the formatting on this copied range. So I'll select that first cell, go to my paste option under the Clipboard section of the Home tab, click on the drop down arrow and go to under the other paste option. You see the formatting, just the option formatting with a percentage icon and a paint-like brush on it. I will just select that. Good. Now, you can see that the formatting, all the formatting in the selected range, it didn't copy the cell. What it copied is the formatting in the cell range, and it pasted that formatting on the destination range we want it to be pasted. So because I'm done with this, I'll just click on escape to deactivate the copy action. Good. So these are the methods we use in pasting format in Excel. You can either use the format paint option. We've seen the different ways you can use the format painter option, or you just select the range that you want the formatting on. That's the range that is formatted, and you want to apply the formatting to another range. Select it, copy, and you just click on the paste formatting, just the formatting. You've seen the paste formatting we just used now. So these are the two methods you can use to paste format in Excel. I believe we now have an understanding of how to go about it. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.